Hi everyone, today we are going to learn how to use exam.net. Click on the website. Now type the exam key given to you by your teacher. Once done, click next. Now fill in your details. Once done filling your detail, the exam is ready to begin. So you have to scroll this thing down and write everything in your page. After that, you will see several tabs in the left. Click on the scan solution once done. Now scan your solution. If you don't have a scanner inbuilt in your mobile, then download the scanners from Play Store or App Store. Once done scanning, click a picture of your notes. After clicking the picture, upload it. You will see upload icon. Once done uploading, you will see a code in your mobile which you have to type in the box given on your laptop by exam.net. Your notes are uploaded. But if you want to upload one more page, then go to upload image down there and upload one more. You will again see the code and you have to enter the code in your laptop. Once done, then exam over. Thanks.